Hi, welcome to this tutorial where I will show you how to use Manychat, a chatbot platform that helps small businesses like yours reply faster, take orders, and save time from zero to hero. So let's get started. You can search for Manychat on Google, and then you can click on the official site first, and then you can see that get started. Again, you click on it, and you can sign up for free. Once you're in, you'll be asked to create a workspace. I name my matcha cookies because that's what I'm selling. You can name yours based on your brand. Next, go to the Automation tab and click Start from Scratch. This is where you build your chatbot flow. Now, let's moving on to the trigger. First of all, you have to click the New Triggers and choose or click the User Sends a Message. For me, the trigger is matcha cookies because that's what people are asking about in my DMs. You can also add multiple keyword like order, cookies, depends on your business. So, after you have done with your trigger, you will be able to start a message. Like mine, I wrote something simple like, "Hi, I can see you're craving for matcha, interested in our homemade cookies." And I will add quick replies like matcha order. For example, I will choose Instagram that will be directly to the chat box as well. And I will rename it and fill in the form to grab your matcha for the customers to fill in the form, and I will put a link using the open website. So it is actually up to you on how many quick replies that you want. Like mine, I only have two, which is matcha order, and I have a questions. So let's moving on to the I have a question. So I also directly it to DM or Instagram. So I wrote, "Sure, drop your question here and we will get back to you soon." And I also add delay around 11 seconds, and you can also add to up to 60 seconds. It is also up to you. And I also say our team is on standby, feel free to check our frequently asked questions. And I include delivery, and I also mention delivery, we deliver around Selangor and can arrange Lalamove. Let us know your area. For freshness, we also mentioned about our cookies last for how many days, like for until 5 days, under room temperature, and also mention about frequently asked question list that will lead to a frequently asked question website where it is very convenient for customer to use by dropping the link using open website as well because it's very convenient. So now, if they tap on matcha order, the flow will send them a thank you message like "You are the sweetest," just like our cookies. "Thank you for your matcha cookies order. We will reach out soon." And underneath, I added two follow-up options, which is first is order more, which lets them start a new order, and second is feedback, which leads to a website link, either to submit a review or view testimonial from past customer. You can always choose whether you want to use quick reply or button, but this time around, I choose a button. And of course, the order form is also linked through the open website action. So right at the top, you can see a preview button. If you click it, you can see exactly how the chatbot will look from the customer side. What happens when they tap each button or quick reply? Once you have previewed and you are happy with it, just click Set to Live and your chatbot is now ready to use. So what is exactly Manychat? So Manychat is a chatbot platform that lets you automate DMs on Messenger, Instagram, and WhatsApp. It helps you respond faster, take orders, and save tons of times, especially for small businesses. So let's moving on to the function of Manychat, which is first keyword automation, which is keyword lets you trigger the chatbot when someone taps a specific words like order, matcha, or cookies. It's great for instant replies. This one is quick replies. Quick replies are like mini button. Instead of typing, customers can just tap order, frequently asked question, or talk to us. Super easy and very convenient for consumer to use. So last but not least is Flow Builder. This is where you design your chatbot conversation step by step from greeting, order to thank you, and is also able to control what happened based on your user reply. Manychat exactly saves you time, and it works on multi-platform for 24/7, and it also can work to connect to Meta such as Instagram and Facebook, and lets you send promos to your followers all in one place. Moving on to disadvantages of Manychat. First is the free plan is limited for certain platform. The next one is not ideal for all businesses, especially for big businesses. And the next one is require regular updates, especially when you have new items. And there is also a message delivery delays that will happen when you have an internet connection problems. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I hope it gave you a clear idea of how to use Manychat. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like,